guys, so today the shaky roof thing Snowman with the black base came, so we're gonna be unboxing it in this video, and yeah, so let's get right into it. I'm just gonna split down the middle. I zoomed, I don't know. Damn it. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got the box open, and from what it looks like, it's wrapped in the same bubble wrap as this guy was. So let's take him out. Wait, was that electrical tape on the light? No, it's just a button. So he looks nice. Move that out of the way. Sorry I'm taking so long. Well, he weighs much more than any other Shake a Groove thing one. As you can see, they copied the same design. Same design as the Snowman, except the star on the hat. Okay. Now we just put him on. This one actually has the lights, so let's see if he has batteries. Okay, he has batteries. Let's see. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, that was a demo. Let's see. On. So obviously it wasn't brand new. The listing said it was brand new, but I could tell it's not. You could tell just by the way the fur looks, and it has no tag or box or anything. So you could feel it has inside. It has the same shoes as the original one. They just used the same mold and base and just a different color. Guys, I took the whole thing apart because I thought something wasn't right, and I was right. So this gear, hold on, let it focus, is split. It won't focus though. You could kind of see the crack right there. This thing, I've never seen a video of it, but it moves back and forth like the original does. So I'm gonna have to glue this because I don't have a gear like this. I'm gonna put epoxy on it and glue it with some crazy glue, and hopefully that fixes it. I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay guys, so I think I did it. I glued the gear and I waited a little bit for it to dry. The way I noticed how this thing was supposed to move was sometimes when I would turn it on, it would move back and forth for a half a second and it would stop. So then I was like, it's either a bad belt or a split gear, and I took it apart and it was a split gear, so let's see if it works. Yes! There it goes. Alright, I'll let you know when I put them back together. Okay, so I got him fully working. Like I said, I didn't know he was supposed to even do this, but I guess here he is. I've never seen a video of it actually fully working either. I didn't sew him up yet, so it looks like he has a butthole. Alright, so that's about it for him. Hope you guys enjoyed. I guess stay tuned for more videos. I have a video coming out soon on another life-size snowman mod, so it's already done. I just want to have a time to upload videos so you guys don't get bored and unsubscribe. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. See ya.